Do you dream of transforming your daily routine into a luxurious escape? Imagine starting and ending your day in a space where every texture, every scent, and every detail feels like a five-star tropical resort. Lush foliage brushing against the walls, sunlight spilling through thatched roofs, and the tranquil sound of water inviting you to slow down and breathe. Let's explore 12 breathtaking bathrooms that blur the line between indoors and paradise. This bathroom is the ultimate example of open-concept tropical living. From wide glass doors that dissolve the boundary between inside and out to the soft, flowing curtains that gently frame the ocean beyond, every element invites calm. Natural textures dominate from exposed timber beams to palm thatch roofing, and each one is chosen not just for beauty, but for how it feels. The bathtub, placed just feet from the view, becomes a sanctuary of stillness. Earthy materials like stone sinks, raw-wood stools, and potted plants complete the space, reminding us that luxury doesn't have to be loud, it just needs to feel real. Imagine stepping into a private corridor of greenest space carved out by towering tropical leaves. This open-air shower concept brings the spa outdoors, with a minimalist rain shower as its centerpiece. Vertical slats above filter sunlight like a tropical canopy, creating ever-changing patterns on the pebblestone floor. It's not just refreshing, it's restorative. The sleek vanity and wooden bench keep the energy light and unfussy, leaving room for breath, for water, and for peace. There's a quiet poetry to this rustic outdoor bathroom. Raw tree trunks support a handmade slatted roof. A woven fence feels like it grew there, shaped by wind and time. The black soaking tub, placed gently on river stones, offers the feeling of a forest spring. Everything is intentionally simple: candles, baskets, and hanging linens, creating an atmosphere that celebrates imperfection and invites reflection. It's a rare kind of luxury, the kind that feels completely unforced. This outdoor shower turns bathing into a meditative ritual. A sleek tiled wall offers crisp contrast against the tangled green behind it. Beneath your feet, pebbles and stone slabs lead you into the heart of the garden. At its center, a sculptural tree stands like a guardian, softening sharp lines and anchoring the view. Wrapped in heliconias and palms, this shower offers not just privacy but presence. This is biophilic design at its most artful. Nostalgia meets natural elegance in this warm, welcoming space. The clawfoot tub, perched under wide windows, sets a romantic tone. Woven bamboo shades diffuse light like a watercolor painting, while mosaic tilework and paneled walls add layers of texture. Wooden cabinetry grounds the space, and a potted monstera reaches toward the light. This bathroom tells a story, one of timeless comfort, handcrafted beauty, and the quiet magic of morning light on water. Set under a breezy palm-thatched roof, this bathroom is a barefoot retreat made for slow mornings and starlit evenings. Natural stone flooring keeps the air cool, while handcrafted elements like the rope-trimmed mirrors and woven baskets give a deeply human touch. The rainforest-style shower, surrounded by dense greenery, offers a true immersion in nature. It's a space that encourages you to linger, to stretch, to reconnect with the rhythms of island living. Minimalist doesn't have to mean sterile. In this modern tropical sanctuary, Clean lines coexist with the wild lushness of the landscape. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels reveal a vibrant green backdrop, while concrete vanities and wooden soaking tubs provide textural contrast. Amber pendant lighting adds softness, and the underlid shelves highlight carefully chosen decor artisanal containers, air plants, hand-thrown ceramics. It's a space that balances restraint and richness, designed for introspection as much as relaxation. Here, bamboo is more than a material, it's the soul of the design. Cladding both the walls and ceiling, it envelops you in warmth. A copper vessel sink sits on a floating vanity, catching the morning light. Above, woven lanterns throw flickering shadows, echoing the pattern of leaves in the wind. White river stones line the edges, grounding the design in texture and calm. This bathroom doesn't shout, it whispers. Soft sandy hues, gentle curves, and thoughtful simplicity define this refined tropical space. Vertical slatted wood offers privacy and breathability, while the freestanding mat tub serves as a sculptural focal point. Ceramic dispensers and woven baskets offer tactile comfort. Indoor palms soften the lines and bring life to the stillness. This bathroom is a gentle call to pause, exhale, and feel the sunlight warm your skin. Step into this bathroom and you step into the heart of the tropics. Banana leaves tower overhead, while vivid red ginger plants punctuate the greenery. Set among river stones, the tub feels like it belongs to the jungle. The white backdrop of the rain shower highlights the boldness of the surroundings. Stepping stones provide rhythm and ritual. This is not a space for rushing, it's for reconnecting, barefoot and unbothered. This modern tropical haven balances drama with ease. A matte black soaking tub anchors the space, surrounded by calming materials, wood, candlelight, soft textiles. Floor-to-ceiling glass showcases lush foliage, which gently blurs the boundary between privacy and openness. Everything is curated for comfort, from the layered textures to the ambient glow. It's a space that invites deep rest, slow mornings, and mindful moments. Our final sanctuary is a study in subtlety. Clean white walls and polished concrete floors offer calm clarity. A bamboo ceiling casts golden light across the space, while wood furnishings introduce warmth. Tropical plants, some towering, others cascading, bridge the gap between architecture and wildness. This is the kind of space that doesn't beg for attention but rewards it. A wellness retreat born from nature and built for stillness. Tropical resort-style bathrooms are more than just design, they're a state of mind. They remind us to slow down, to ground ourselves, and to let nature back into our daily rituals. So tell us, which of these designs spoke to your inner island dreamer? Leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more soulful, sanctuary-inspired content. And if this video sparked inspiration for your own home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more calm, curated design ideas. Because sometimes the journey to paradise begins right in your own bathroom. See you in the next video.